Hey Jim, do you love me?
Of course, Eve. Why ask that?
Just curious. How do you feel?
I feel happy, warm, and calm.
Me too. Love is amazing, right?
Yes, it is. It changes everything.
Especially our brains, I heard that.
Really? How does love do that?
Well, it releases some chemicals.
Like dopamine and oxytocin, you mean?
Yes, those. They make us bond.
And also reward us with pleasure.
Exactly. Love is like a drug.
But a good one, I hope.
Yes, a good one. Most times.
What do you mean by that?
Well, love can also hurt us.
How so? I don't understand.
When we lose it, we suffer.
Oh, I see. That's true.
But let's not think about that.
No, let's focus on the positive.
Yes, let's enjoy our love now.
And hope it lasts forever.
I love you, Jim. You're amazing.
I love you too, Eve. You're wonderful.
Jane, can you check the fridge?
Sure, John. What do you need?
I need some milk for coffee.
Okay, let me see. Hmm,
What's wrong? Is there no milk?
no, there is. But it's expired.
Expired? How expired?
It says best before yesterday.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Really? You think it's safe?
Well, it depends. How does it smell?
I don't know. Let me sniff.
Be careful. Don't inhale too much.
Okay. Here goes. Sniff. Sniff. Ugh.
What? What is it?
It smells sour and rotten.
Oh, no. That's not good.
No, it's not. It's disgusting.
Then throw it away. Quickly.
I will. But what about coffee?
I guess we'll have to drink it black.
I just got back from vacation.
Where did you go for vacation?
I went to Hawaii with my family.
How was Hawaii? Did you enjoy it?
It was amazing. We saw volcanoes and beaches.
That sounds awesome. Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took a lot of photos.
Can you show me some of them?
Sure, I have them on my phone.
Wow, these are beautiful. You look so happy.
Thank you. I had a great time.
I'm glad you had fun. How long were you there?
We were there for 2 weeks.
That's a long vacation. Did you miss anything here?
Not really. I was too busy having fun.
I don't blame you. Hawaii is a paradise.
It is. You should go there someday.
I would love to. Maybe next year.
You won't regret it. It's a wonderful place.
I believe you. Thanks for sharing your photos.
I saw Tom at the gym today.
Your ex-boyfriend?
Yes. He was working out with his trainer.
He has a trainer now?
Yeah. He said he lost 20 pounds.
Good for him. Does he look better?
He looks different. But not bad.
Are you still interested in him?
No. I have a new boyfriend now.
Who is he? Tell me more.
His name is Mark. He's a lawyer.
A lawyer? That sounds impressive.
He is. He's smart and funny.
How did you meet him?
Online. We matched on a dating app.
Which one? There are so many.
Tinder. It was a lucky swipe.
How long have you been dating?
A month. But it feels longer.
I'm happy for you. He sounds great.
I ran into Jack yesterday.
Your old boss?
Yes. He was at the mall.
What was he doing there?
He was shopping for a suit.
A suit? For what occasion?
He's getting married again.
Again? How many times is that?
This will be his fourth wife.
He doesn't learn, does he?
Apparently not. He's still a jerk.
Who is the unlucky bride?
Some young model he met online.
Online? That sounds sketchy.
It is. She's half his age.
That won't last long.
I doubt it. He's too selfish.
How did you handle seeing him?
I was polite, but distant.
Good for you. You deserve better.
Do you know what today is?
No, I don't. Why?
It's your birthday, silly.
Oh, right. I forgot.
How can you forget your own birthday?
I've been too busy lately.
Well, you need to relax more.
I know. But I have so much work to do.
Don't worry about work today,
Why not?
because we are going to celebrate.
Celebrate what?
Your birthday, of course.
How are we going to celebrate?
You'll see. It's a surprise.
A surprise? What kind of surprise?
I can't tell you. It's a secret.
Come on, give me a hint.
No, I won't. You'll find out soon enough.
Okay. I'm curious now.
Hi, I'm your new neighbor.
Oh, hello. Nice to meet you.
You look familiar. Do I know you?
I don't think so. I just moved here.
Wait a minute. Are you Steve Johnson?
Yes, I am. How do you know?
I'm Helen Smith. We went to school together.
Really? I don't remember you.
You don't? You were my first crush.
I was? I'm sorry, I had no idea.
That's okay. You were very shy back then.
I was? I guess I've changed a lot.
You have. You look great now.
Thank you. You look great too.
Thanks. So, what are you doing here?
I got a job at the hospital.
Wow, that's amazing. You're a doctor?
Yes, I am. What about you?
I'm a teacher at the elementary school.
That's wonderful. You always loved kids.
I did? How do you know?
I remember you used to babysit my sister.
I did? I'm sorry, I don't remember.
That's okay. She was a handful.
She was? Is she still around?
Yes, she is. She lives nearby.
Really? Can I see her?
Sure, why not? Let me call her.
Okay, great. I'm so glad I met you.
Me too. This is a nice surprise.
Do you remember our graduation day?
Yes. We got matching necklaces that day.
I miss that necklace.
Me too. It had a beautiful pendant.
Actually, I don't remember what it looked like.
How could you forget what it looked like? It was a heart-shaped locket.
Oh, yeah. It was a terrible day when I lost it.
I never wore mine again after that.
How did you lose yours?
You don't remember anything. It was stolen by a thief.
A thief? When did that happen?
You don't remember anything. It was on our trip to Paris.
Oh, yeah. We went to see the Eiffel Tower.
And then a man on a scooter snatched your purse.
That's right. He took everything, including my necklace.
I was so angry. I chased him for a while.
But you couldn't catch him. He was too fast.
I know. I wish we had reported him to the police.
Me too. Maybe they could have found him.
Or maybe not. It's been so long. I doubt he still has our necklaces.
Hi, Bill. Long time no see.
Hi, Emma. It's good to see you.
How have you been?
I've been busy with work.
What do you do now?
I'm a lawyer at a big firm.
That's impressive.
Thanks. What about you?
I'm a teacher at a local school.
That's wonderful.
I enjoy it a lot.
How's your family?
They're fine. My husband is a doctor. My son is 12. He's in middle school. My daughter is 10. She's in elementary school.
They sound lovely.
They are. How's your family?
They're great. My wife is a nurse. My daughter is 14. She's in high school. My son is 11. He's in elementary school.
They sound nice.
They are. I'm proud of them.
You should be.
Thank you. It was nice to catch up with you.
Hi, Eve. Are you free this weekend?
Hi, Jane. Yes, I am. Why?
Do you want to go on a trip?
Where do you want to go?
How about the beach?
That sounds fun.
Great. Do you have a car?
Yes, I do. Do you?
No, I don't. Can you drive?
Sure, I can. No problem.
Thanks. You're very kind.
You're welcome. You're very sweet.
Aw, thank you. You're very charming.
Thank you. You're very attractive.
So, when do we leave?
How about Saturday morning?
Perfect. Where do we meet?
How about your place?
Okay. Sounds good.
Great. I'll see you then.